ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருभ्यो நமः. तुला राशि, चित्रा नक्षत्र 3rd and 4th पादा, स्वाति नक्षत्र, विशाखा नक्षत्र 1st, 2nd and 3rd पादा. Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 4th place. For Tula Rasi, Saturn is in the Uchasthana and there will not be any disturbances. Jupiter will not be beneficial as the Rashyadhipati Venus is an enemy. Always be very careful. Due to the Ardhashtama Shani, sudden havoc or dangerous situations might occur. Spending excessive money, unnecessary fights and conflicts will arise. Avoid long distance travel plans. Concentrate in worshipping God and spend more time in spiritual matters. Please control your anger. Chitra Nakshatra 3rd and 4th Pada, Tula Rashi. For people born in Chitra Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 8th place. Be patient. Anger is the cause of all miseries, so control it. Do not rush up to complete things. Then everything will be in haste. Health aspects are stable. However, there are possibilities for small surgeries. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students are required to take notes of the lessons taught and study with concentration. This period is seen to have a distraction with the students. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. There will be excessive strain at your workplace. Please be patient and do not lose your comfort zone. You can expect promotion after 12 months. Business. People involved in business will experience a loss predominantly, but a few aspects will be profitable. Do not lose hope. Do not make new investments in share market. Agriculture. This time is seen to be extremely favorable time for farmers. New experiments will also yield good results. Grains, fruits and vegetables will be extremely profitable. Court cases. Please be extremely careful and patient. Postpone all court cases for 12 months. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see a stable and a steady progress. House. Be careful for some time. After 30 months, time is favorable for buying a new house. Land. Selling of land will be profitable. However, buying will lead to excessive loss. Vehicle. It is a very good time for having any sort of vehicle dealings. However, new vehicles can be purchased after 6 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Chitra Nakshatra 3rd and 4th Pada should worship the Dashadik Palakas, who are Indra, Agni, Yama, Nairati, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera, Ishana, Brahma and Vishnu. Along with this, they should also worship the Navagrahas and Mahamari and seek their blessings for good fortune. Chitra Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Chitra Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Chitra Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Dram Tvam Shrim Chitra Nakshatra Adhipaya त्वष्ट्रे नमः. चित्रा नक्षत्र गायत्री मंत्र. ओम महात्वष्टायै विद्महे प्रजारूपायै धीमहि तन्नो चैत्राः प्रचोदयात्. स्वाति नक्षत्र तुला राशि. For people born in Swati Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 7th place. Success will be seen only after enormous hardship and hurdles. There are chances of defamation as well. Excessive travel is likely to take place. Be calm and composed in all situations. Health. Be careful for 12 months, after which you will see a good improvement in your health. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students studying medicine and other related subjects should concentrate more on studies. However, the other branch students will see a steady progress. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be very careful with fellow colleagues as there are chances for unnecessary conflicts. Do not interfere in unwanted issues. However, after 12 months, things will get better. Business. People involved in businesses should be extremely careful since this is a very dull period. Be responsible and careful before devising any business plan. Returns from share market will be extremely poor. Agriculture. Fruits and vegetables will yield a very good profit. Court cases. It is a very bad time. Time will be favorable only after 12 months. Do not worry. Saturn will favor you. Fine arts. People in fine arts are advised to be extremely careful. They might have to face situations where they will be defamed. Do not lose hope. Pray to God with pure devotion. House. Time is favorable only after 12 months to buy or invest in house. Land. Selling of land will be beneficial, but buying of land will be moderate. After 12 months, both will seem to be satisfactory. Vehicle. Please be very careful. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 6 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Swati Nakshatra should worship Lakshmi, Shiva and Dhanvantri and seek their blessings for good fortune. Swati Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Swati Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily. Swati Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hreem Sreem Yam Nam Jam Swati Nakshatra Adhipaya Vayave Namaha. Swati Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Kamacharayai Vidmahe Mahanishthayai Dhimahe Tanno Swati Prachodayat. Vishakha Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd pada, Tula Rashi. For people born in Vishakha Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 6th place. Avoid unnecessary travel plans. Prepare a to-do list and work accordingly to avoid absent-mindedness. Be extremely careful in cash dealings as there are chances for sudden conflicts. Do not argue with family and friends for unnecessary issues. Be polite. Stomach problems may arise, so be careful. Health. Take good care of your health for the next 12 months and give importance to doctor's advice. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students, especially female, will have a very good improvement. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be very careful with fellow colleagues as there are chances for unnecessary conflicts. Do not interfere in unwanted issues. However, after 12 months, things will get better. Do not lose hope. Business. People involved in businesses will have a balanced period. Be responsible and courteous with the customers. Returns from share market is moderate. Agriculture. It is a very difficult time for the farmers. However, your hard work will yield you satisfactory result. Do not lose hope. Court cases. Please be extremely patient for the next 12 months. After 12 months, you can win it hands down. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will have a moderate time. After 6 months, they can see a stable growth. House. Time is favorable for buying a new house, but you will have to undergo a few hurdles. Be prepared. Land. Selling of land will be beneficial and buying of land will be very disadvantageous. However, selling of land and house will be beneficial only after a period of 18 months. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 12 months. Be very careful while you travel. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Vishakha Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Padam should worship Muruga, Shiva and Ayyappa and seek their blessings for good fortune. Vishakha Nakshatra, Mula Mantra and Vishakha Nakshatra, Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Vishakha Nakshatra, Mula Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Yim Ram Vim Vishakha Nakshatra Adhipaya Indragnebhyam Namaha. Vishakha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantram. Om Indragnau cha vidmahe Mahasreshthi cha dhimahe Tanno Vishakha prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be